Hello everyone, Daryl Bates from Excalibur Epoxy Artisans. This is a home I did recently in Arizona. It's very nice. It's a new home. We still have some baseboard touch-up to do. This was a complicated project. It had a lot going on that was wrong with the floor. We had to essentially go over the entire thing and redo the floor from scratch. So this is a dark gray epoxy from Epoxy to You, ETU from Tempe, Arizona, and it's very nice. It's very mellow and dark gray, and part of that is because I used a matte water-based urethane sealer as the top coat, and it really looks nice. Again, it's subtle. Right now it's dirty because they're moving in, and it's been raining outside to boot, so that hasn't helped any. But by and large, some footprints from me. By and large, though, it's very nice. Very happy. We got way up underneath. They didn't put the kick plates on, so that allowed me to get all the way up underneath. Just essentially do a very good job. Anyway, so this looks very good. I'm gonna walk around, and I got some tape to cut out here right now. And then this is a complete project for these guys, and they're going to help them move it in appliances today. So, all right. So there you have it. And again, this is a unique floor, I think, and very subtle. Everybody likes something different. I might have chose something different, but this is what they wanted. So there you have it.